Okay, guys, let's get started. So, operating system deployment we could not complete properly. Why? Because the DHCP server was not there. So, in the last session, if you remember, what we did, we installed a DHCP server, right? So, these are the things which we did in the last session. We installed DHCP server on domain controller so that it can provide IP address to the target devices on the network. We disabled DHCP from Oracle VirtualBox so that there will be only one DHCP server. Then we created IP address scope, enable PXE, enable command support, create a new task sequence, and then deploy to the unknown devices. Now, previous to that session, this was also not completed successfully. A half of them was completed. It was we deployed the operating system. So operating system was installed, but it did not join to the domain. The machine did not join to the domain. Why? Because of the DHCP issue. So in today's session, first we will target the things which we did on 28th of December, the wipe and reload. So suppose this machine, right? We would like to format and rejoin it to the domain. Suppose who is logged in right now? For example, MECM admin is logged in right now. Now, suppose we would like to format this machine uh, as a fresh new machine. So we'll go to this operating system and then Windows 11 format and reimage and retry. Why it failed? Because of the DHCP issue. But this time it should not fail because this machine is now taking the IP from DHCP server. Previously, we did not have DHCP server, and that's the reason it did not complete the task properly. Okay, so let me see whether it is communicating to the DHCP or not. So CMD, and I'm gonna ping domain. Yes, it's pingable, right? IP config. uh, IP config space slash all. Let me see whether it is getting the IP from DHCP server or not. Yes, it is getting IP from the DHCP server, and that is a domain server. So everything is absolutely okay. So we don't have to do anything. We'll have to leave it as it is. So right now this machine is getting formatted and it will re-image the machine automatically. Everything will happen automatically. So we have to leave it as it is. So this was the part which was pending from 28th of December. Now let's move on to the 29th one. This is not completed because we completed all these steps. Then point number 7 was pending. When we created a new machine, the bare metal machine, the new machine was not getting the task sequence properly. So let me minimize this machine. Now we will create a new fresh machine. This did not work, so I'm gonna remove this. Oh, this is yours machine. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it as it is. Now let me add a new bare metal machine. Bare metal means a brand new machine. Okay, so client without any operating system, client 5. Okay, it is gonna be Windows 11, right? Windows 11 and unattended install hardware 4 GB RAM and 2 core processor and hard disk 50 gigabyte hard disk. Okay, rest everything will remain as it is. What is this? Finish. Okay, so this is a new machine without any operating system. It just have hard disk as 50 gigabyte and RAM 4 GB RAM, 2 core processor. Now we will go to settings and then go to system and remove floppy and optical. I would like to put network on the top because the machine will receive the operating system over the network, and the second one will be hard disk. Okay, so first the boot order, network boot, and second boot order is hard disk. So first the machine will look for the boot image over the network. If boot image is not available over the network, then it will use the hard disk to boot up. Okay, so now network. I would like to put the machine on the same network where all the other machines are connected to. So all the machines are connected to MECM network and click OK. Okay, so all my machines are on the MECM network. So this machine is now bare metal machine, which will receive the IP from the DHCP server, from domain server, plus it will receive the image from distribution point. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this start. Let's see what happens now. This is the wipe and reload. This is another one. The new machine will come. Yeah, this is the new machine, the bare metal machine without any operating system. So first of all, we have to boot this machine over the network. Network boot, we have to do network boot. So for that, we need to type in exit, EXIT, and enter. And then we have to go to boot manager and then network boot. Network boot is UEFI PXE. This is the one. PXE mode boot. What happened? Not getting the IP or what? Yeah, now it's getting the IP. You see, it is communicating. It's communicating to the SCCM server. This is SCCM server IP address 10.0.2.4. Okay, this is SCCM server IP address and it's getting the boot image. So you can also monitor the step monitor from SCCM server. So from SCCM server, if you would like to monitor what is happening, you can check the log file. Okay, the log file is there in C drive, program files, Microsoft Configuration Manager, and logs. The log file is um, SMSPXE. SMSPXE. Okay, so this is today. What is today's log? Let's see. Right now the time is 7:43. So 7:41. Yeah, here. So received from client. Operation boot. This is the MAC address of this machine. Okay. So this is the MAC address 08002766FA08A. That's the MAC address of this machine. Okay. The new machine, the bare metal machine. Okay. And then it received the IP address. This is the IP address 10.0.2.4. This is the SCCM server IP address. So from there, it is getting the response. It is getting the response from that server. And this machine is getting this IP address 51 10.0.2.51. The new machine is getting 51 IP address. Which machine? This machine. And Zaka during the virtual machine execution, the what is this problem? Host memory low. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Okay, 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 okay. The memory issue. Okay. So, actually, you have low memory. So we will power off this machine. Let's pause this machine. Okay. So we will pause this machine because we can try this later on. Save. Okay. So that machine has low, the memory issue is there. Okay. So what I did, I paused that machine. Now let me try again because it did not work. So I'm gonna delete and create a new fresh machine. So 4 GB and 2 GB RAM. Okay. Let me create a new machine altogether. So client 6. Okay. 6. Windows 11, right? Hard disk 50 gigabyte. Okay. Rest everything will remain as it is. Finish. How much space is there in your C drive? Let me take a look. Ah, okay. So I created a new machine. Let me go to setting, system, and remove this floppy and optical. And I need to put the network on the top and hard disk on the second one. And then the network, all the machine will have to be on the same network. Okay. So now again power on. So previously we had low memory issue. So we say we turned off other machine which was consuming more memory. Let's see what happens this time. Okay, so again the same process. We have to type in exit and boot from network. So we'll go to boot manager and boot from UEFI PXE mode. Okay, so the moment you do that, you see here, you see, 47. See from this 47, 47. Yeah, you see received. This is a new machine. This machine will receive. Yeah, 52. This machine is getting 10.0.2.52. The IP address of this machine, it's getting the IP from DHCP server. Okay, so everything is working fine and it's getting the boot image. Okay, getting the boot image. So let's see. Yeah, so this machine is working. Now if you would like to check the DHCP server, the domain controller, whether this machine is getting the IP or not. So we will search DHCP here. You see expand um, address lease. You see 52. The new machine received 52. This is the MAC address of that machine. The new machine, bare metal machine, right? Just now, 748, this machine received the IP address 10.0.2.52. Okay. Okay, it's starting up. Okay, previously we had memory issue. Now it does not give any memory issue. Okay, so now it's asking for the password. So we actually um, secured this task sequence with a password. So uh, people who know the password, they will be able to build a new machine. So who will know the password? Only the IT people, the hardware team or the desktop support team who are working to build new machines, right? So Gloria, can you type in the password because you have chosen the password that day? And next. Cancel. Wait. And next. When you type in the password, automatically it's gonna, you see, bare metal OSD, it is getting this task sequence. We don't have to do anything, just the authentication is needed. You enter the password and it will go to the next step. So this is going to build the entire machine. This machine did not have any operating system. So it is going to load the operating system and then it will join the machine to the domain. It will enable the local account on this machine. Then it will install all the applications what we have given in the task sequence. It will install all the packages what we have given in the task sequence. It will install the SCCM client on this machine. It will restart the machine and then the machine will be ready. Okay. The machine will be joined to the domain and it will be ready to use. Are you guys clear? Hmm?
Yes, Kashif.
This process is called bare metal operating system deployment. Now, in order to troubleshoot, suppose this is failing somewhere. So you can press F8 on the keyboard. When you press F8, then the black window will come like this. Okay. You remember we did command enable command support, and because of enable command support, you see enable command support, the F8 is working. Okay. So you need to type in what? In order to check the log file, you have to go to cd/enter. You need to go to X drive. Basically, it is creating multiple drives here. Okay. Now we have to go to cd sms ts. No, cd temp, right? No, cd sms ts log, and then cm trace. cm trace .exe. We would like to open the log file in cm trace, and name of the log file is sms log, and enter. So this is the log file which will help you to troubleshoot. So those who are building a new machine, they will provide you this um, log file for you to troubleshoot. Okay, so how they will provide you this log file? They need to connect the USB on this machine and then save this, right? So suppose this is the log file, they have to copy this log file sms log and go to this PC and the USB disk will come. So basically it creates multiple drives, as you see, C drive, then S drive, and then X drive. So X drive is the one where the log files are saved. C drive is the one where the operating system is getting installed right now. Okay, clear? So you will have one more drive here. When you connect USB, it will have one more drive and you can save the log file into that drive. That is one thing. Otherwise, you can map a network drive. How will you map a network drive? You need to type in net use, let's say M drive. Okay, M colon slash, no, M colon, I think. Let me see. I don't remember the exact map network drive command line. So net use Z colon. Okay. Net use. So suppose we need this log file. So how will I use this log file? Uh, Net use Z colon. Okay. M colon and then space slash slash. I would like to save it in MECM server, MECM PS slash source underscore folder. Is it folder or folders? Let me see. Source folder. Okay. And OS. So let me create a folder here called log files. Okay. Log files. So inside this folder, I am gonna save the log file from that machine. So let's go back to that. Okay, so source folder and then slash OS, then slash log files, enter. It's gonna ask for username. So username is Gloria, Gloria Cooley slash MECM admin. That's the user ID. Enter. Now enter the password, Gloria, for this MECM admin account. So we are mapping one folder basically. Okay, so we have typed in the password and enter. What will happen now? You will have one more drive here. If you click on this open and this PC, you will have, you see, log folder. So basically you can save your log file. Which log file? So let me go up. Sorry, X drive. We have to go to X drive, right? So we have to go to X drive and then in X drive SMS TS log. And this is the file which we have to copy. And suppose I need to put it on my share drive or USB drive, I need to go to this PC. And then suppose this is the shared drive or USB, I need to go here and paste the file here. What happened? Is not enough memory to complete this source space free total size 1 1. What is this? Sorry, I did not copy properly, I think. So X drive SMS TS log. I need to copy and then I will have to come to M drive. Ah, it's already pasted. Okay, it's already pasted. Let me delete this. Looks like it's not refreshing here. Refresh. Yeah, and now paste it again and refresh. Ah, refresh. You see, it is now saved. So I'll have to just close it. Now what will happen if you go to that machine? You will see the log file here inside this logs. So this is the log file of that particular machine which is getting built right now. Okay, so the administrator can take a look. What is the issue? In case if any issue, he will troubleshoot, find out the issue whether it is completed or not properly. So this is SMSTS log, which is very important for you to get from the target machine. Okay, so let me close this because this machine is waiting for me to close all these things, then it will restart. See, it's getting restarted now. So uh, this is the process for bare metal operating system deployment. Whenever you connect a new machine to the network, then automatically everything will start when you boot from network. Okay, so this machine is getting the um, boot image, and first it received the IP address from DHCP server, then it received the boot image and the operating system image from distribution point. So everything is going absolutely okay. Now, if you would like to monitor what is happening on that machine from SCCM console, you can also come to this monitoring section, and then you come to the deployment section here. And so bare metal, where is bare metal? Yeah, this is the one, bare metal. So right click and run summarization to get the latest information. Okay, right click and then refresh. Refresh. Okay. Now I will right click on this bare metal and view status. That's going to give me what all steps it has completed. So I'll go to in progress. So right now it is in progress. Right click on this and more details and status. So what all has status? It has completed these two tasks. Okay. It will be little delay. It is not real time. Okay. You will have to wait for like 5 minutes for it to give you the latest information. So it shows that it completed restart in WinPE, then BIOS partitioning, then UEFI, and completed. So in BIOS, it skipped, but UEFI, it completed successfully. Okay, all good, guys, everyone.
Yes, Kashif.
So from server side, you can monitor from here. There is no other log file from server side which you can monitor. Okay. And every 5 minutes, this will get updated. You can't get the real time information here. Okay. 83. Let's see what is showing up now. Ah, you see, now it's giving you some more information that what all things it has completed so far. So it has completed this successfully, UEFI, then apply operating system, that is also completed successfully. This is also done. This is also done. Network. So it joined the machine to the domain. You see, previously we had some problem with the domain joining, but this is all good. Now it is installing SCCM client on that machine. Okay. So this machine is now joined to the domain. So if you would like to see whether this machine is joined to the domain or not, you can come to this DHCP and refresh this. What is the name? Refresh. See, it has um, randomly chosen this name. Automatically, this name is coming .gloriaculi.online. So domain joining is also done. Okay. So after this, it is going to install all the applications, whatever we have given in the task sequence. Just a moment. Any question from anyone so far with this task sequence, bare metal operating system deployment? Mm. It's installing SCCM client on this machine now. Okay. Um, any question from anyone? Gloria, Lakshmi, and Syama.
No, Kashif.
So this is very common practice in
No,
companies
Kashif.
to build new machines which does not have any operating system. So this machine will get ready. So Gloria, leave it as it is for like half an hour more. This machine will be ready. And after half an hour, you can turn off this machine once this machine is ready, and then you can start this machine, the client one machine, because client one uh, is still not completed because we saved client one machine due to memory issue because we wanted to focus on the client 6. So once client 6 is ready, then you can power off this client 6 and then start this machine client 1 so that it can complete the process as well. So both the machine will be ready for. See, now it is doing some, oh, almost ready. Let's see what it's doing. It's installing application. Install application Microsoft Configuration Manager client. Okay. So leave it as it is for like half an hour more and your machine will be ready. Okay, Gloria. Hmm? You have control now, Gloria.
Yes, Cash, if I can hear you. So, okay. I wanted to ask, is it the same as because I do hear of the VM XE. Is that the same as the bare mentor?
No, 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 no. ESXi you are talking about,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
ESXi is a platform. On top of that platform, we build machines. Okay. Bare metal means what? The machine which does not have any operating system. It's just a plain hardware.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So now it is installing the third program out of four program. There are four programs in total, which we have added. So it's installing the third one. After Mozilla, it will install the last one. Okay. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye now.
Thanks, Kashif.
S-
Bye, everyone.
Bye.